Hey, what's up, guys? Say what's up, guys.
Hello, everybody.
Today we're going to be changing the oil on our 2020 Ford Raptor. So really important to teach the kids proper vehicle maintenance.
Yay!
So here we go. Today I got a little helper. We're going to change the oil. Are you ready to go change your oil?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay, here we go. Here, no, hold my hand. No, hold my hand. Come on, let's go. Come on, we got to go get your truck.
The car?
Yeah.
The car?
Yep. All right.
Me.
Yeah, you. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, let's jack it up. Hold on.
Me. Yeah. Perfect.
Jack it up.
Go. Hello, you.
Here. Come on. No, get out. What are you doing?
I get in my car.
That's not very safe.
Okay.
Come finish jacking it up. Hey, come here. Bring me that wrench.
Go down.
Come on. Come over here.
Go down.
Come over here. We got to get under here. Here, bring this wrench. Get on under there. Come on. Yeah, get under. Get under there. Yeah, get under there. Yeah, get in there. Yep, get under there. Change that oil. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get it. Are we changing the oil?
Yeah. See car.
Mm-hmm.
See my car.
Yeah, what else?
Mama, see my car.
Uh-huh. Oh, you got to get all the way in there. Yeah, get in there. Did you get done changing the oil? Oh,
Wow. I got it.
you got your nose.
I say you.
Get in there. Get under there. Oh, that's a nice wrench. Get under the car. You have to change the oil under the car.
This car.
Yeah, underneath.
Ooh.
Are you done changing the oil?
Yeah.
It's all done?
Keep it.
Okay. Are you ready to be done?
Let's go.
Okay, here we go. Going down. Up. Do you have more work to do under there?
No, I got it.
Well, are you gonna work on the tires too?
Yeah, I tried to. Yeah. I'm going to try.
You're all done?
You try it.
Oh.
You try it.
Okay, I try it. Are we done now? Did you fix it?
No.
Did you fix your truck?
I'm not favorite try.
You did not fix your truck?
I'm in my car.
Are you ready to get down?
Go car down.
Yeah, car down.
No. No car down.
No car down.
I go up. Go up.
Go up. Now what? You gotta spit on your hands?
No, in my hand. Baba. Oh, no, Baba. It's flippy.
You gotta work on the car underneath it. You gotta get under the car to work on it. Yeah, come down here.
Okay. Mommy.
Oh, here's your wrench.
That's my van.
Yeah, there's your wrench.
Yeah. Yeah, my van.
Yeah, there's your wrench. Hey, you don't wrench my face.
Oh. Clack, clack.
You're a crab? Are you a crab now?
Look, they're on my eyes.
What do you have there?
I know that. Take a video. I like take a video. Yeah. I'll quit. I'll be number.
It's all fixed?
Yeah. I'll fit a video.
Okay. Are we all done now?
Here. So you video. Here.
Okay. Are we ready to go down?
Now I don't know where you go down. I will go up, go up.
It doesn't go up anymore. Okay, we gotta lower it down so we can pull it out, okay?
No! No, you go down.
No, go down.
Up. You go up.
You need to go up more.
You go up. What are you doing, Daddy?
You wanted it to go up more. Okay. Are we ready for it to go down?
No.
No, we're still working on the car.
Yes. Right here, higher, up.
Are we still working on the car?
What? I say you okay.
Let's go down.
Let's go down.
Yep.
I'm already up.
Are you gonna get in?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can back it out. All right, down we go.
No, down. Go up.
Go down.
No, up. Go up. Go up.
Are we done with the oil change?
No, up.
Up.
Mhm.
Did we forget something?
Up. What are you doing, Daddy? Yeah. Your head. Yeah. No.
Oh no, what happened?
Car just go down.
It slipped off the jack? Oh no. Sometimes that'll happen.
Now I go up. I'll take a go up. No.
Let's see. Let's check our jack point.
What happened, Daddy?
Check it. Check under there. We gotta check and see where the jack is. Does the jack look okay?
I found it.
Oh, you found it. What'd you find?
This one.
Oh, you found some wrenches.
Yeah, I found this in the car.
You did. You ready for some wrench? You want to use a wrench? Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You need more?
You need more wrenches?
No, you need more wrenches. Oh, that's mine.
That's yours?
That's yours. That's yours, Daddy.
Okay, well, let's jack it up some more then. There we go.
Tornado.
Oh yeah, fix the wheel.
There.
Good
Here,
job.
the donkey.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Yeah, good job with the wrench. Did you fix the wheel yet?
Yeah, I already did the video.
You did?
You try
Me?
it.
Okay. Okay, we gotta get down here though.
Okay.
Are we fixing the wheel? Are we doing a good job fixing the wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was wrong with the wheel?
Video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
I'm not.
Oh, you?
Uh-huh.
Hey, what are you doing? Cheese. I don't do that.
What are you doing?
Are we gonna do more wrenches?
No.
Do you need another wrench?
I don't know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, good job.
I need more red.
More wrenches? Mm. Are we done working on the car?
I don't know where here. What?
Are you ready to pull the car out? Are we done working on it? Come here, come lower the jack.
Okay.
Hey, get your finger out of your eye.
What the bottom of my eye?
Yeah. Are you done fixing the car?
A car.
Up.
You working?
Is it working?
Yeah. It's working. Let's go.
Yeah. Get under there. Get in there. Yeah, get in the car. Yeah, you're fixing the car? Yeah. Good job.
Daddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Ta-da!
Oh, nice. What did you do there?
I made video.
Nice. You gotta have all your tools ready to go, right?
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Are we done fixing the car?
Look.
Oh, that's a nice wrench.
Woo!
Whoa! Here, check this out. Watch.
Huh? Wow.
I try it?
I'll try it. I can't try it. I can't try it.
This doesn't seem very good at all. What do we need to do? All right, let's tighten it up. Can you tighten it? Did we get it? Oh, you need to use that wrench. Here, watch. Look. Baby. You do it. Here, grab it. This one doesn't do that. Here. Ow, ow.
What happened?
You ripped it off my finger. Good job. Okay, look it. Let's see. Oh, that's much better. That one's all fixed now. We fixed it! Oh! Baby! We fixed it!
Wow!
Wow! Oh, thank you. High five.
I didn't remember.
We fixed the car.
Yep. Wow. See, that right here.
Oh.
See.
Okay, all done. Come here, get these tools out of there. Get your tools.
Ow.
Out. Yeah, get the tools out. Get them out of there.
He's here.
Yeah? Did you step on the wrench?
But I got a root.
Okay, get these tools out of there. Yeah, good job. Get them out. Okay. Okay, now we got to lower the car.
Me.
You. Okay. Here, no, twist that one. Twist it. Get your hand out of there. Oh, we're not actually doing anything. All right, now we can pull this out. Okay, get in your car. We got to back your car out of this garage. Get in there. Are you ready to back it out? Okay, back it out, back it out, back it out. All done? Okay. All done? There. No, we're done.